Hey YouTube, how's it going? If you've seen the first video, you understand I messed up the trailer. Long story short, drove home from Labor Day weekend and made contact with the mailbox. Not too bad, no damage to the mailbox. Scraped off part of the decal, did a little bit of fiberglass damage. Um, Took it to a body shop, they wanted $1,500 minimum to repair it. I figured I'd do it myself. So I ended up taking some sandpaper, some Bondo glass, and doing it myself. Here I pulled off the decal. You can see that the gray on the paint went down further than I thought. And here's where I've started sanding it down. Lots and lots of sanding. I'm not adding video of sanding. Sanded it down real good, taped it off so I didn't get to the edging. Then I put the Bondo glass, first layer Bondo glass. Ended up doing several layers to get rid of pinholes and stuff like that. And then more sanding. Here, sanded off the first layer, put on another layer, block sanded it even more and more sanding. And like I say, more sanding, but the cracks are filled in, everything's getting smoothed out. Um, Start taping everything off, start adding some primer to it, and come to find out the primer is pretty close to the same color that Jayco uses for the gray. And I start putting on a few coats of white paint here and there. And I ended up using just the Rattle Can Duplicolor Gloss White. And then I ended up going over with a clear coat also. And it turned out really well. I was actually very pleased with it. It's very smooth, no pinholes, matches very good. Where the decal used to be, I'm going to put an American flag and a Texas flag that I'm having custom made for those exact dimensions. Probably going to be about 5.5 by 9. So, like I said, it's not perfect, but I've got $80 in this repair. So, better than $1,500. Should last me a while. So, I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed. Like I say, if you got any questions, comments, please put them below. Like I say, I'm no professional, but I saved myself $1,500. So, enjoy. Thanks for watching.